Good afternoon, children. You already learned that LCM and HCF, isn't it? Lowest common multiply, highest common factor, that already learned. And today we can do some word problems, children. Okay. Listen here. Question. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizers of weights, that is 75 kilogram and 69 kilogram. Find the maximum value of weight of fertilizers exact number of times. Look here. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizers. The weight of that fertilizers, that is 75 kilogram and 69 kilogram. And question, find the maximum value of weight. Find the maximum value of weight of fertilizer exact number of times. Weight already given, 2 bags of fertilizers, and that weight of that 2 bags already given, and you want to find out what is the maximum value of the weight, that is in exact number of times. So maximum value of means you have to find out the HCF, highest common factor of this weights. You have to find out the maximum value of the weight means you have to find out the HCF, highest common factor of this weights. So you will get the answer. So we can write it here. First you have to, this one is the word problem, isn't it? So you have to find the statement for this. And how many bags of fertilizers, children? Number of fertilizers bag is equal to number of bags of fertilizers is equal to 2 bags, isn't it? Fertilizers, that is 2 bags. And weight of the 2 bags is equal to weight of the 2 bags of fertilizers is equal to 75 kilogram and 69 kilogram. 75 kilogram and 69 kilogram. And the question is, find the maximum value of weight of fertilizers means maximum value of weight of fertilizers is equal to, you have to find out the HCF maximum. So you have to find out the HCF of 75 and 69 kilogram. So you have to find out the HCF of 75 and 69 kilogram. Look here. HCF you have to find out separately, isn't it? Find out the factors separately, and which one is the highest common factor, that is the HCF. So 75 and 69. Yes, here 2 is not going, so we can take it 3. 2 3s are 6, and remaining 1 15 5. Then 2 and 3 is not going, so we can take it as 5. 5 5s are 25. So 5 5 1. Okay. Then 69, that is an odd number. So 2 is not going, so we can take it as 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. And next one 23, that is an even prime, that is a prime number and prime factor. There is no factor for 23, isn't it? That is a 23. So we can only 1 and 23 is the factor, isn't it? So that is 23 1. So what are the factors? 75 has 3 into 5 into 5, and 69, that is 3 into 23. So which are the common factors, children? Here 3, okay, and here also 3. But here 5 not here, 5 not here, 23 is not here. So the common factor is HCF is 3. So the answer, what is the, find the maximum value of the weight, isn't it? Maximum value of weight is equal to, maximum value of weight is equal to, weight is equal to 3 kilogram. That is 3 kilogram. Okay, children. Then we can take it second one. Next question. Next question. What is the next question? Look here. 3 boys step off together. 3 boys step off together from the same spot, and their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. And here what is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps. That we want to find out the what is the minimum distance. Minimum we have to find out the minimum distance each cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps. So how many children are the children? 3 boys are step off together, and that is the steps measure. What is the measurement of that steps, children? Then first boy, that is 63 centimeter, and second one 70 centimeter, and third one 77 centimeter. And you have to find out what is the minimum distance each should cover. So you have to write the statement. What are the distances, steps, measurement of that steps, children? Each boy. First measurement of steps of first boy. First boy, that is first boy. What is the measurement, children? 63. First boy, that is 63, and measurement of second boy, that is 70, and third boy, that is 77, isn't it? And question is, what do you find the minimum distance each should cover? Minimum distance each should cover means minimum distance each should cover means minimum, so that is lowest common multiple. LCM you want to find out. LCM of 63, 70 and 77. So you have to find out the LCM of 63, 70, 77. Look here. And then what is the even number? So we can take it 2. 63, that is 2 is not going in 63. Okay. Then here 35. And here that is not going. 77 also odd number, 2 is not going. And here there is no even number, so we can take it 3. Out of 63, 21. In 35 that is not going, and 77 also not going. Okay. Then 3 again 3, 7 3s are 35, 77. Then we can take it 5, 7, 7, 77. Then again 1, 7, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then again 11, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then find the total of this. 2 into LCM of that measurement of steps, that is 63, and find out the minimum distances means minimum distances of these 3 steps is equal to, yes, measurement of 63, LCM of 63, 70, 77 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 18 into 5. Look here. 18 into 5. 90. 90 into 7. 630. Into 11. Yes, 6,930. What is the minimum? Yes, minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps, means that complete steps, that is minimum distance is 6,930 kilometer. Okay, 6,930 centimeter. Okay, the minimum distance is equal to 6,930. Okay. Yes. Then next one more question in that. The length, breadth and height of a room are 825 centimeter and 675 centimeter, 450 centimeter prospectively. That is the third question. And find the longest tape. Find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. You want to find out the longest tape. Longest tape means you have to find out the HCF of that length, breadth and height of that room. Okay, so that you can take it as homework. Okay children, bye.